To prepare for delivery, the Chiron is carefully wrapped in protective film and blankets. Robotic lifts adjust suspension.
Listen to that response. We've optimized the airflow completely.
It sounds incredible. The wing movement is Check the thermal reading at Sector G. We have a spike.
It's within tolerance now. The inconsistency cleared the gate.
The torsional load parameters look good at 45 degrees.
Agreed. The laser alignment is perfect on the 0-degree run.
Inside the sealed autoclave chamber, the curing cycle enters its most critical phase. A billet is clamped into a colossal 5-axis CNC machining center. Hydraulic jaws lock it immovably as Both aluminum and titanium components enter controlled heat treatment ovens. Conveyor systems move parts slowly through engine. The completed subframes are transported to the monocoque integration bay. The carbon tub rests in a precision
Each core is positioned with sub-millimeter precision using machine vision guidance. African American
The cast blocks enter heat treatment furnaces for metallurgical conditioning. They are heated again, then cooled in
Once stabilized, each block is mounted inside a massive CNC machining center. Multi-spindle boring heads descend.
Once stabilized, each block is mounted inside a massive CNC machining center. Multi-spindle boring heads descend.
Abrasive honing heads refine the cylinder walls. The tools oscillate while rotating, creating a
Tension shifts to the crankshaft housing. Line boring machines drill through the block's lower structure, creating the tunnel where the massive crankshaft will rotate.
All completed components converge in a synchronized staging zone. Automated inventory systems assemble complete engine kits.
Rows of stainless steel valves are machined, polished, and hardened through induction heat treatment. Valve stems are ground for frictionless motion within guides.
Solid billets of heat-resistant superalloy are milled into turbine wheels. 5-axis CNC machines
All completed components converge in a synchronized staging zone. Automated inventory systems assemble complete engine kits.
Alignment is good on this side.
Confirmed. Ready for the caps.
Dual cylinder heads, machined from high-strength aluminum, are lowered onto the engine block. Robotic torque arrays descend.
Oil pressure is holding steady across the bank. Friction numbers look good.
Confirmed. Rotational balance is perfect. We are clear for the next phase.
Freshly cut gears move along conveyor rails into carburizing furnaces. Inside, they are heated in carbon. Differential housings are CNC machined from forged alloy blocks. Internal bevel gears are installed to distribute torque between left. In a composite cell, carbon fiber tubes are filament wound around rotating mandrels. Resin-coated fibers wrap in precise helical patterns. The AWD coupling unit is assembled from planetary gears, clutch packs, and torque distribution actuators. Transmission oil pumps, filters, and cooling lines are installed into the gearbox casing. Robotic dispensers apply high-performance.
A precision steering rack assembly is constructed from hardened gears, electric assist motors, and
Completed panel molds are vacuum bagged and transferred into mid-sized autoclaves. The chamber doors seal with hydraulic force. Heat ramps gradually as pressure builds.
Freshly cured panels are removed and placed into robotic trimming cells. Diamond edge cutters trace door outlines.
Structural reinforcement ribs, also carbon composite, are bonded to the inner surfaces of large panels, like the rear. Structural reinforcement ribs, also carbon composite, are bonded to the inner surfaces of large panels, like the rear.
Still 2 grams over on the rear left.
I'll adjust it now. There, target achieved.
Motorized aerodynamic elements, such as air brake mounts, cooling flaps, and duct vanes, are installed within select panels.
Fuel rails, machined from lightweight alloy, are mounted along the cylinder banks.
Robotic arms install water pumps, thermostat housings, and multi-channel cooling bridges connecting block and heads.
Turbine. Before movement, the engine is primed with fluids. Automated filling stations inject high-performance engine oil in.
Panels enter sealed robotic paint booths. Multi-axis spray arms apply a thin, even coat of primer.
Panels enter sealed robotic paint booths. Multi-axis spray arms apply a thin, even coat of primer using.
Cured panels enter specialized chambers where infrared lamps and UV systems activate sequentially. Laser metrology maps the surface geometry against CAD standards. This rigorous QC ensures that
A thin, invisible nanocoating is sprayed across all painted and exposed carbon surfaces. This protects.
Gap measures 1.5 millimeters, perfectly flush.
laser scan confirms the curvature alignment.
The gap here is precisely 1 millimeter.
Confirmed. The rear shell alignment is perfect.
Autoclave 1, beginning pressurization sequence.
Acknowledged. All parameters nominal.
Specialized robotic torque tools install titanium threaded bushings into critical fastening points. Each housing is interference.
Though largely hidden beneath body panels, the exposed carbon tub undergoes meticulous surface refinement. The
monocoque reaches its final validation chamber. Here, full-body laser scanners.
The vehicle's complex wiring harness, routed through pre-designed channels in the monocoque, is connected to all sensors, actuators, and modules. Laser scanners measure body panel gaps, wheel alignment, and ride height. ECU data streams are captured to confirm electronic systems performance. Coolant, brake fluid, oil, and transmission fluids are carefully filled using automated dosing systems. Hydraulic systems are bled of air.
Look at the torque figures.
Synchronization confirmed. The shifts are flawless.
Synchronization confirmed. The shifts are seamless.
Millisecond verification complete. The mapping is precise.
The vehicle is mounted on a specialized testing rig, simulating dynamic road forces. Suspension compression, rebound.
The torque vectoring response here is instantaneous.
Yes, the rear wing deployment shows perfect synchronization.
Wind tunnels and digital aero rigs test active elements, rear wings, flaps, and diffusers. Sensor.